Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kuku and this is Kukuasinspiration. So in this video is a kind of inspiration. If you are looking forward to cook something for your family and you don't want to spend so much or you don't want to use so many ingredients, then this video is for you. I just came back from a local market close by and I want to show you the things that I bought. I got tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. I got some matches, some cubes, some oil, some washing powder, some spices. In here, I have fennel, rosemary, cloves, cumin, thyme, coriander, aniseed, star anise, and bay leaves. Then I got some eggs, some onion, some carrots, some bell pepper, green bell peppers, some spring onion, some cucumber, some pineapple. I also got some lemons, some oranges, which I'll be using for orange juice. I'll be adding turmeric and ginger for the orange juice. I also got 2 kilos of chicken back. So I got this cucumber and lemon because I want to make a detox or cleansing juice. I've not been feeling good in my abdomen, so I want to make this juice to cleanse or flush out everything in my system. So if you are interested or you want to know the recipe for this juice, please head over to Kukua TV, where I share weight loss recipes, healthy recipes, workout routine, and weight loss challenges. So please head over and subscribe, and don't forget to put on your notification bell so that each time I post a video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you. My plan was to make rice and chicken stew, but when getting to the market, I saw carrots and my mind changed because there's this recipe that I'd wanted to make for a very long time, carrot jollof rice. So that is what I'll be making this afternoon. Cutting and cleaning the chicken. After, I will marinate and set it aside. I love to clean as I go, especially when you are dealing with any kind of protein. After any kind of protein, the first thing to do is to clean your sink, your equipment, and your surface before you tackle any other thing. What I have in the spray bottle is a homemade disinfectant that I made myself. I made it with orange and lemon peels soaked in white vinegar and water for some few days. Let it soak very well. Then I strain it, add soap. Then that is it. I use it to clean my surface anytime I use protein. And you will not smell anything. It takes out the scent, the smell. Everywhere will be sparkling clean. In the bowl, I added 1 tablespoon of salt. Added all my vegetables. I'll soak that for some few minutes. Then I'll wash them. Over here, I'm making my spice blend. So all the spices I got from the market, I'll put in equal amounts and blend to give me this powder as you see. So now marinating my chicken, I added some salt, some curry powder, then the spice mix and some cubes. I'll cover it, set it aside. Now I'm on my detox drink. I need to take this thing this morning before I put anything into my tummy. I really need to take this thing. As you can see, I'm getting my ingredients ready. After I'll blend, strain, then take my first glass of this detox drink. After the rest, I'll just keep in the fridge. I'll be using the rest for the next 2 days. And guys, could you believe that 30 minutes after taking this juice, I had to visit the washroom. Yes, the cleansing process has already started. This is how effective this drink is. So like I said before, please head over to Kukua TV and get all these recipes at no cost. Thank you. Getting my carrots ready for the jollof stew. Fingers crossed, this will come out pretty good. Just praying that this comes out very, very tasty. Now, on the journey to the carrot jollof rice, let's go on this journey together and pray that this comes out delicious. Checking on the rice for the first time, and the aroma is for me. What? Let's see. Alright, so I want to make chicken pepper sauce. So first I've added some oil onto my pan. In here I have tomatoes, onions, ginger, pepper, bell pepper, and spring onion. I'll mix everything together, allow it to cook for some time. Then I'll add the chicken, and that is it. My lovelies, I'm checking on the rice for the second time, and so the aroma is everywhere. So now the rice is ready. So I'm adding my bell pepper, spring onion, and some onion for crunchiness. I love me some fresh onions in my rice. The crunchiness is for me. Did you hear the emphasis on the crunchiness? My lovelies, my plantains got burnt. Yes, they got burnt. So now I've off the fire under the rice to allow the steam to cook the vegetables I just put in. I'm all done now. So now let's serve and enjoy this food in peace. Like I said before, this video is for motivational purposes. Please head over to your kitchen, whatever you have in your kitchen, just make something for your family, okay? Like I always say, stay dedicated because it is not going to happen overnight. See you all in my next video. Bye-bye.